Hello, everyone, all the magical people around. So, I'm sure you did your day two practice with Count Your Blessings, and today is the third day. Third day is all about magical relationships. So, are you ready with three photographs of your closest relationship? Then let's start. So, day three, magical relationship. See, in this book, you can see there are few photographs that actually make our life beautiful, but we fail to appreciate and acknowledge what they are contributing in this life. You know, as a human being, we are here for love, for connection, for relationship. Everything that we do on a daily basis is for us, ourselves, or for the people around us, right? So, but we fail to acknowledge and appreciate those people in our life. So, today it's all about appreciating your relationship that you already have in the past. Imagine if you were the only person on earth, you would have no desire to do anything. आप अकेले ही होते तो आपको क्या मन करता करने का? कुछ भी नहीं. What would be the point in creating a painting if nobody could see it? What would be the point in composing music if nobody was there, could hear it? What would be the point in inventing anything if there was no one to use it? So there would be of no reason to come from one place to another, because wherever you went, यू वुड बी द सेम पर्सन. आप अकेले ही होते तो वहां कोई प्लेजर नहीं होता, कोई जॉय नहीं होता. देयर वुड बी नो जॉय or pleasure in your life, right? So what brings love, what brings pleasure in our life is relationship. You need to understand that. So it's your contact and experiences with other people that give your life joy, meaning and purpose. Because of that, your relationship affect your life more than anything else. अगर अपने घर में कोई का तबीयत खराब है, इफ यू आर नॉट हैविंग गुड रिलेशन विथ एनीबडी, आपका मूड भी ऑफ होता है. अगर आपके वर्क में, आपके बिजनेस में कोई पार्टनर के साथ या कोई कलीग के साथ कोई झगड़ा हो जाए, कोई फाइट हो जाए, तो विल यू फील गुड? नो, इट विल अफेक्ट योर लाइफ. बीट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, विथ योर क्लोजमेट्स, विथ योर क्लासमेट्स. एज अ स्टूडेंट, आपका अगर किसी से भी लड़ाई हो जाए या कुछ भी हो जाए तो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. इट विल अफेक्ट योर लाइफ, राइट? टू रिसीव द लाइफ ऑफ योर ड्रीम्स, it's vital that you understand how your relationship affect your life now, and how they are the most powerful channels for gratitude to start magically changing your life. How they are powerful, you need to understand, because actually if you express your gratitude, if you express your appreciation daily to those people, to those relationships, your life will actually change magically. So, science is now confirming the wisdom of the great sages of the past, with research studies showing that people who practice gratitude have closer relationships, are more connected to family and friends, and have other people look upon them favorably. देखो, वी आर हियर फॉर कनेक्शंस, ट्रस्ट मी. आप इतने वर्क हार्ड कर रहे हो, आप इतना काम कर रहे हो, बट अल्टीमेटली हमें पीस, हमें सुकून तभी मिलता है जब हम अपने घर वापस जाते हैं, अपने दोस्तों से मिलते हैं, अपने रिलेशनशिप से मिलते हैं, अपने कोई भी क्लोजमेट से मिलते हैं जिसके साथ आपको रह के अच्छा लगता है. वी आर एट पीस. But probably the most astounding statistic that has come out of the research studies is that for every one complaint about another person, whether in thought or word, there have to be 10 blessings for the relationship to flourish. कोई भी एक रिलेशन खराब होने में बहुत कम वक्त लगता है, उस रिलेशन को बनाने में बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लगता है. तो अगर आप एक कंप्लेन एक इंसान के बारे में कर रहे हो तो आपको 10 ब्लेसिंग्स उस रिलेशनशिप के लिए लिखना होगा, टू मेक इट बेटर, टू मेक इट अगेन नाइस. सो सी कितना इंटेंसिटी है नेगेटिविटी और पॉजिटिविटी का. नेगेटिव चीजें बहुत जल्दी इंपैक्ट लेके आती है, बहुत जल्दी खराब करती है चीजों को. आपकी पूरा 10 साल का फ्रेंडशिप टूट जाए अगर एक बहुत खराब फाइट हो जाए तो, right? So any less than 10 blessings for every one complaint and the relationship will deteriorate. And if the relationship is a marriage, it will most likely end in divorce. Marriage is one thing जहां हम लोग सबसे कम acknowledge करते हैं, सबसे कम gratitude show करते हैं. उस कारण differences आते हैं, gaps आते हैं. You don't feel the emotional connection. In fact, मैरिज शुड बी वन थिंग जिसके लिए आप सबसे ज्यादा ग्रेटफुल होना चाहिए, जिसके लिए आप एक्चुअली यू शुड हैव फुल एप्रिसिएशन ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, बट वी फेल टू डू दैट. ग्रैटिट्यूड मेक्स रिलेशनशिप फ्लरिश. As you increase your gratitude for any relationship, you will magically receive an abundance of happiness and good things in that relationship. And gratitude for a relationship does not change only your relationship, but it also change you. जब आप gratitude feel करोगे, आप express करोगे, तो आपके अंदर में भी changes आएगा. You will start living life. You will start having peace with your relationship. Ultimately, it affects your life, right? No matter what your temperament is now, gratitude will give you more patience, understanding, compassion, and kindness to the point where you won't even recognize yourself. The little irritations you once felt and the complaints you had in your relationship will disappear. Trust me, सब भूल जाओगे आप. Because when you're truly grateful for one other person, there's nothing you want to change about that person. आप जैसे वो इंसान है वैसे आप एक्सेप्ट करोगे. इनफैक्ट आप जब ग्रैटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस करोगे, जब आप पॉइंट्स लिखोगे कैसा आपका पार्टनर चाहिए, कैसा इंप्रूवमेंट चाहिए आपको मैरिज में, अपने आप वो चेंजेस आप अपने पार्टनर में भी देखने लगोगे. बट एक कंप्लेन आपके रिलेशन को खराब कर देगा, बिकॉज वेन यू ब्लेम इट कम्स बैक टू यू ओनली. ट्रस्ट मी. So the little irritations you once felt and the complaints you had will disappear, because when you're truly grateful for another person, there's nothing you want to change about that person. You won't criticize, complain about or blame them, because you are too busy being grateful for the good things about them. In fact, you won't even be able to see the things you used to complain about. आप जैसे ही gratitude show करोगे, आप जैसे ही वो सब points लिखोगे जो उनके बारे में अच्छा है, आप देखना धीरे धीरे वो इंसान एक्चुअली आपको जैसा पसंद है वैसा होने लग जाएगा. अपने आप वो चेंजेस आपके मैरिज में, आपके फ्रेंडशिप में, आपके रिलेशनशिप में आएगा. बट आप एक ब्लेम करो, वो एक्चुअली घूम फिर के आपके ऊपर ही आ जाएगा. ओके. So you need to stop complaining. That is very important. We can only be said to be alive in those moments when our hearts are conscious of our treasures. करेक्ट. हमें सब अच्छे अच्छे मेमोरीज याद रखना अच्छा लगता है. वी से सीज द मोमेंट माई फ्रेंड, राइट. वाई आर यू रनिंग एंड रनिंग? वी नीड टू एक्चुअली सीज ऑल द गुड टाइम्स, ऑल द ब्यूटिफुल टाइम्स विद आवर फैमिली, विद आवर फ्रेंड्स, विद आवर colleagues, with everyone around us. Words are very powerful. So when you complain about any person, you actually harm your life. आप एक के बारे में कंप्लेन करो, आप खुद सफर करोगे, आपका लाइफ सफर करेगा, आपका मूड ऑफ होगा. कोई भी एक गलती से अगर आप किसी को भी हर्ट करोगे, कोई भी चीज से अगर आप किसी को भी हार्म करोगे, तो अल्टीमेटली आपका लाइफ इफेक्ट होगा, वो घूम फिर के आपके ऊपर भी आएगा. सो वी नीड टू स्टॉप द ब्लेम गेम ऑल्सो. So by the law of attraction, whatever you think or say about another person, you bring to you. I'm not saying कि all people are perfect. प्रॉब्लम सब फैमिलीज में होती है, प्रॉब्लम सब मैरिजेस में होते हैं. आपका पार्टनर परफेक्ट नहीं होगा. नोबडी इज परफेक्ट, इवन यू आर नॉट परफेक्ट. बट द थिंग इज कि हमें जो चीज उनके बारे में अच्छा है वो चीज अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए, ग्रैटिट्यूड शो करना चाहिए. धीरे धीरे आपका रिलेशनशिप बेटर होगा, मैजिकली चेंज होगा. हम रियलाइज नहीं करते. इवन आई डोंट रियलाइज इट. एट टाइम्स देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन आई ऑल्सो हैव आर्गुमेंट्स, आई हैव अ बैड डे, सब कुछ होता है. बट what is important is to have a conscious approach कि आप कैसे उस चीज को ठीक कर रहे हो, आप कैसे उस चीज पे एफर्ट डाल रहे हो. तो by the law of attraction, whatever you think or say about another person, you bring to you. So this is the very reason why the greatest minds and teachers of the world have told us to be grateful. They knew that for you to receive more in your life, for your life to magically increase, you have to be grateful for others just as they are. What if every person close to you said I love you just the way you are? How would you feel? So that's the magic. When you start saying I love you to that person just the way they are, you see धीरे धीरे वो लोग अपने आप एफर्ट्स डालने लग जाएंगे. अपने आप अपने मैरिज में, आपके रिलेशनशिप में, आपके फ्रेंडशिप में चेंजेस देखने लगोगे. बिकॉज यू आर इंक्रीजिंग योर वाइब्रेशन, यू आर इंक्रीजिंग योर फ्रीक्वेंसी, यू आर कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग दैट you want to be happy in your life and you are grateful for whatsoever you have received. Complaining बंद करते ही आपका लाइफ मैजिकली चेंज होगा. जैसे ही we feel कि every person should love me the way I am, that doesn't mean कि वो सामने वाला बंदा efforts डालने ही बंद कर दे. No, that is not the thing. When they'll see that yes, you are taking efforts, you are making efforts, and आप एनर्जी वैसा डालने लगोगे तो अपने आप सामने वाले इंसान का फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज भी होगा. So today's magical practice is being grateful for people just as they are. Even if all of your relationships are currently good, they will increase more magnificently through this practice. And with everything you find to be grateful for in each person, you will see gratitude perform its breathtaking magic, and your relationship will be stronger, more fulfilling, and more enriching than you ever thought there could be. So you need to choose 3 of your closest relationship to be grateful for. You might choose your wife, your son, your father, your boyfriend, your business partner, anybody, your sister, anybody basically, your neighbor, your close friend, anybody. You might choose your best friend, your grandmother, your uncle, anybody. You can choose any 3 relationships that are very important to you as long as you have a photograph of each person. The photograph can be of just a person or both of you together. That is fine. Once you have selected your 3 photographs of relationship, you are ready to set the magic into motion. So 3 photos आपके पास ready है या आप मोबाइल में अगर देख रहे हो, it's okay. Sit down and think about all the things you are the most grateful for about that person. Each photo, एक photo लो and just think about all the good things. What are the things you love about that person? What are the best qualities? You could be grateful for their patience, their ability to learn, listen, talent, strength, wisdom, laugh, eyes, smile, etc. Whatsoever it is. You could be grateful for the things you enjoy doing with that person. You can recall a time when the person was there for you, cared for you, supported you. After you have spent some time thinking about what you are grateful for that person, put their photograph in front of you with a pen and a notebook, or on your computer, laptop, mobile. Choose the 5 things you are the most grateful for. I prefer taking a journal or a gratitude book or a notebook. Okay, you can do it any ways that you want. Look at the photograph of the person as you make your list of 5 things. Begin each sentence with the magic words thank you, address the person, and then why, what you are grateful for. Thank you dash whatsoever name you want to write for dash. For example, thank you John for always making me laugh. Thank you mom for supporting me through college. You can say to anything about, you can give any reason for what you are grateful and write it down. 5 points, 5 things. When you finished your list of all the 3 people, continue with this magic practice by taking the photographs with you today. आपको फोटोग्राफ को अपने साथ रखना है, अपने साथ रखना. जब आपका ये मैजिक प्रैक्टिस कंप्लीट हो जाए, तीनों के बारे में आपने लिख लिया, सोच लिया, फील कर लिया, उसके बाद यू नीड टू टेक द फोटोग्राफ्स विथ यू टुडे एंड पुट देम इन अ प्लेस वेयर यू विल सी देम ऑफन. आज आपको देखना है बार बार. Whenever you look at the photographs today, thank the person by saying the magic words thank you and the person's name. Thank you, John. Thank you, Haley, whatsoever. In fact, आपको पता है, when you express gratitude for the other people, आपका जो खुद का दूसरा relationships भी है वो भी better होते जाता है because you are attracting good frequency in your life. Okay? So if you are moving around a lot, carry the photograph with you in your bag or pocket. Make an effort to look at the photographs. At the photographs 3 times during the day, following the same procedure. Now you know how to use gratitude's magical power to transform your relationships into magical relationships. Although it is not the part of the requirement of this book, you may want to take this amazing practice and use it every day if necessary to make every relationship you have magnificent. You can use it on the same relationship as many times you want. The more you are grateful for the good things in your relationship, the faster every relationship in your life will change. So आप कोई भी रिलेशन के लिए थैंक यू जब बोलने लगोगे, ग्रैटिट्यूड जब शो करने लगोगे, तो आपके बाकी रिलेशनशिप भी बहुत फास्ट चेंज होने लगेंगे. So today's magic practice 3 is repeat the first 3 practices. As already said to you, count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write down why you are grateful, reread your list, and at the end say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful as you are. This is the morning practice. Then you need to choose 3 photographs of your closest relationships. Collect the photograph. With the photograph in front of you, you need to write 5 things you are grateful for in your journal, computer, wherever. Begin each sentence with the magic words thank you, include their name and what you are grateful for. उसके बाद आपको कैरी करना है तीनों फोटोग्राफ विथ यू. लुक एट द फोटोग्राफ एटलीस्ट 3 occasions में. स्पीक टू दैट पर्सन's फेस इन द photograph and say thank you, the name. And the last one is before going to bed, before you sleep, take your magic rock in hand, say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. So that's it for the day 3 magic practice, which is magical relationships. Because once your relationship becomes magical, your life starts becoming magical as well. So thank you. Stay tuned for